Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Welcome, coin collectors young and old, and everyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have friend mail from a variety of people. We've got 1, 2, 3 packages. So let's get into these right after this. Welcome back. So I'm going to set this over here and open the oldest one first, which is this one. And this is from CanCan Collectibles, my good friend in California. And this is, I believe, something that I may have purchased from an auction. So let's get into this by cutting along the edge very carefully so as not to cut anything inside. Oh, thank you, CanCan. And take a look at these stamps. That is, I believe, a Purple Heart, Forever USA, which is beautiful. This one is Bioluminescent Life, and both of them are Bioluminescent Life, and one appears to be a jellyfish, and the other appears to be a bioluminescent plant. How cool is that? Thank you for the stamps, CanCan. You know I love these stamps. And I'll take care of that later. And he always has these inspirational cards that he uses, and I love it. This is a happy face from CanCan. And it says, "Hi, Numis Canada with Bruce. Thanks again, my friend, to the north, sending you love and light up to you and yours. Peace, CanCan." And I believe these are auction wins. And affordable auction wins from the looks of it, because he puts what the winning bid was on these sticky notes. One zip. Oh, that one fell out. Okay, 2 zip. Now this is a War in the Pacific, and I don't know if something was spilt on this coin because it's got a little bit of pink toning on it. Seems a little soon for toning. And it is a W. Thank you, CanCan, because W quarters are almost impossible to get here in Canada. A 2019 W, War in the Pacific. That's very cool and an interest that I like a lot. And I have stated that in these quarters that are for American parks, the River of No Return was my favorite. And we have a River of No Return in brilliant condition. I'll be giving you pictures of all of these so that you can see the details. And this is a W2, CanCan. I don't know if I got these on auction. I may very well have. I can't keep track of everything auction that I do. But these are 2 beautiful coins from my friend CanCan, and just like the channel that I met him on, JB Coins, he don't give no junk. How cool is that? Thank you very much, CanCan. And he has auctions, live feeds, auctions. He plays the guitar and sings, and it's just a wonder to enjoy his company on his channel. So I will put his link in the description of this video, and you're welcome to visit him. And okay, I know that that's what you do when that's what they used to do when somebody's dead, but that's what it's gonna go there. He's not dead. He's just got money on his eyes. So here we go to the second package, and this one is from JB Coins. Speak of the devil. This is where I met CanCan. JB Coins, and of course, this one has a happy birthday stamp with lots of punched. The post office must go pum pum pum. It's only one stamp because it is Happy Holidays, and it's got Santa Claus in his reindeer and the Earth. I am assuming that's the Earth. That's actually a rather cool canceling for the stamps. How cool is that? I'm going to be sure to keep all of this. But it feels like that it is, so I'm going to do some delicate cutting along the edge of this one too, because I don't want to ruin that postmark. That is really kind of cool. And I'll reach in and pull out what's in here. And I believe that's empty. I didn't show you inside CanCan's envelope, but I can do that. That's CanCan's envelope. And this is JB Coins envelope. And we have, oh, they have taped a letter shut. Oh, it's not a letter, it's just paper wrapped around. And of course, what do we have in here? And this is an auction win as well. And of course, nothing else in there. And nothing in there. Thank you, JB Coins. And of course, this is a blue seal. And it is B series, because there's the B there. And I'm just looking to see if this is a godless note. Yes, I do believe this is a godless note. How cool is that? Serial number U828, U828, 957, 957, 756B, 756B. Well, the serial numbers match. Very nice. And there is the reverse. A nice blue seal to add to my collection. A blue seal godless note. So that's from JB Coins. And the third, and now for something completely different. This is from Nick Molnar here in Canada. And of course, he lives in the Bradford, Ontario area, and look at that stamp. Another military stamp, but it is very cool. So, and I'm going to see if I can tap this because I want the contents to be, I don't want to cut that because the stamp's so close to the edge. So I'm going to tap it that way. And now this feels like that it is okay to cut on. And for our third friend mail, what? Whoa. And we have in here and as you may or may not know, Nick is a photographer. Congrats on your win on my giveaway for the painted dime. All the best and Happy New Year. I had no idea I won. Wow, how cool is that? I guess I missed that video. Yeah. How cool is that? I have one of my own that I won. Well, this one will not be in my prize pack. This one's going into my collection because it is a winning from a friend channel. And look at this fabulous postcard that he had in here. He's a photographer and he would have done that photo. And this is Bradford, West Gwillimbury, Ontario. Copyright Nicholas Molnar Photography 2019. Look at that cloud formation. And Bradford, West Gwillimbury is a very pastoral area. Thank you, Nick. So here we go. And I'm going to put this with the JB coins. JB coins. CanCan Collectibles. Nick Molnar. And that's quite an impressive friend mail. Thank you. All of these channels will be linked. I'll put a comment up there in that corner for each one of these. Or you can click at the end of the video to see the video links that are in the video. But I'll also put all their channel names and links in the description below. I just feel so much friendship with this. It really is amazing. Thank you, CanCan, for these W quarters. Thank you, JB Coins, for this godless note blue seal. Thank you, Nick Molnar, for this lovely postcard and this 2021 painted dime. I just feel like we are a community and nothing is more valuable than a community of like-minded people. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for sending me these items. It is appreciated, and I wish you all a happy new year. I know I've done it before, but I'm going to keep saying it because this time it's directed to you guys and all you guys watching. I just feel such a connection with friend mail. Thank you so very much. That's all I have for today. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.